Hey, Micah-Rhett. I hope that you're doing well. So, last week we finished up reading the examples on page number 7, and we've gotten more used to just playing songs that use our E string, right? Reminder, we have our open E, F is on our first fret, and G is on our third fret. Good. So, we also started learning about notes that are on our B string. So, we have our open B. The first fret is going to give us our C, and the third fret will give us our D. And I had you read through exercise 9 and 10 and 11 just to get you more used to playing on this B string, right? Number 11, for example. One, two, three, four, right? Quick reminder, whenever we are practicing these, we want to start them off real slow. Going quickly at first will keep us from really understanding what we're doing and giving our body a chance to sort of lock in the mechanical aspect of what we're doing. So take it real slow. Just get used to feeling that. Get used to the amount of pressure that we need and getting our fingers in the right place quickly enough, right? So now that we've learned some notes on our high E string and we've learned some notes on our B string, it's time to start mixing them together, right? So we're going to be reading and swapping between them. The biggest piece of advice that I can give you for this is that once we play a note, we have to actively look ahead to where we need to be next and start preparing our fingers to get there, right? So for instance, in number 14, if we look at the piece, first we find the end, right? It's right there in the first line. Then we look at our time signature. We're in 4/4, so each beat, or each bar, I should say, will have 4 beats in it, right? Each measure, so to speak. And if we look, we're kind of just going up both of the strings. Open, first, third, then open, first, third, right? So, since we have whole notes here, once we play the note, we can just look ahead and wait for whenever we have to put a finger down. So, for instance, I'm going to read number 14. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, open. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you'll notice is each time I play the note, and this is mostly because it was a whole note that I was able to do it this way, but you saw that my fingers were prepping. I was prepping my fingers to just go down where they needed to, the very moment that I needed them, or to leave whenever I needed them to, right? It's just like that. Looking at number 15, we have a similar exercise, but we're going to be swapping strings a little bit more frequently, I should say. There's a bit of a pattern happening here. You'll notice that for the first 2, 4, 6, for the first 6 bars, your top note is just going to be this open E. So what's really changing is going to be the bottom note. We go B, then E, then B, then E, then C, then E, then C, then E, then D, then E, then D, then E, then D, and F, and D, and F, and E, and G, and C, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, same concept here. We know that we're going to be doing a lot of swapping. We just have to look ahead and get our fingers ready for where they need to be. All right, buddy. I hope you have a great week, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.